It's supposed to be really dope in there. Whole Foods and Fresh Market, or Publix had a baby. Yeah, something like that. Cute. So we're excited. They legit have vegan cupcakes here, and my life is made, honestly. So cute. So we're about to take our pre-workout.
We're supposed to choose. On pre-workout?
Yes!
I was gonna chug this shit.
I'm drinking Ghost, and you're drinking Woke AF. Oh, he chugged his.
Alright.
I'm not.
Let's get it.
So I'm gonna hit legs and booty. I just need to like break barriers and break plateaus, but it's hard sometimes. Like, we went to a party yesterday. I only had like 2 meals yesterday, which is horrible. That's what's gonna get you the gains, that protein.
Down. Pump. Huele, bicho.
What? Anyway, we just killed our workout. Babe was really there. He was really there to kind of like help me lift the heavier weight onto me, because when you're by yourself, you know how it is, you can't really put that weight on you, and if you do, you're dead tired by the time you actually get to hit the set. So I was happy he joined, but he did do some exercises too. So that was his first time working out there. That's his second time going to record me. I'm hella excited to eat this vegan buffalo chicken pasta salad from Sprouts. It's 10 grams of protein, 24 grams of carb, 1 gram of sugar, not bad. And it does have iron, 8%, which us vegans need. Oh, I'm gonna tear it up. That looks so freaking good. That's our post-workout meal. Well, my post-workout meal. Baby, what are you eating?
Rice and alcohol.
Oh, okay. So he's gonna eat like some seafood. Guys,